CISI, the Chartered Institute for Securities and Investment London, they have Investment Operations Certificate. In this video, I'll be covering in detail about different modules which we train at FPA EduTech. FPA EduTech is one of the 7 ATPs in India. In India, we have only 7 accredited training partners. So if you go on the CISI website, you search for the training partners, you will see the name of FPA EduTech. And my suggestion to you is, if you're looking for the training for CISI modules, always go with the ATP because they are the credible sources. There are other players in the market who are training, but the ATP is more credible. Now talking about IOC, if you go to the IOC fact sheet contains multiple modules. It starts from the fundamental of financial services, then goes to the introduction module, then goes to the technical modules, then goes to the advanced modules, then it goes to the regulatory modules. We have multiple modules, roughly 20 plus modules. Should you do all 20 modules? No, you are not required to do. What is expected from you and in which vertical you are working would be the relevance for the module which you need to pick. Here at FPA EduTech, we train for Introduction to International Securities and Investment, Global Securities Operations, Operational Risk. The reason why we have picked these 3 modules because Introduction to Securities and Investment International covers your introduction to financial services industry, financial participants, financial markets, financial products, financial contracts. It also covers economic environment, it talks about inflation, it talks about GDP, it talks about other areas which are impacting the economies. It talks about in detail about equities. When I say in detail about equities, it talks about equity, it talks about company formation, it talks about different meetings which are required, it talks about memorandum of association, it talks about article of association. It also speaks about corporate actions and its impact. Then we go to the bonds. In fixed income securities, we discuss about types of fixed income securities, components of fixed income securities, bonds valuation, securitization and its impact. The other financial assets, this includes your cash or cash equivalents, which includes your money market, your FX and other aspects. Then we go to derivatives. In derivatives, we cover forwards, futures, options and swaps. Then we have investment funds. In this, we discuss about different structures, OEIC and different other structures. Then we have financial services regulation. This is one of my favorite part because we discuss about ethics, we discuss about compliance, we discuss about surveillance, we discuss about market manipulation, we discuss about market abuse and those all things along with AML KYC. Then we have other financial products. Here we discuss about mortgages, we discuss about credit card, we discuss about effective annual rate and those all calculations are done in this chapter. Then we have financial advice. Again, another aspect which is really important for the working professionals, that is financial advice. We discuss in detail about the financial advice, financial planning, what are the key areas which we need to consider. Will is also covered in this. So this is your introduction to Securities and Investment International. This will be your first module. The second module which we train is Global Securities Operation. Now the first module is intermediate, the second one is difficult. In the first module, we are setting the base. But in the second module, Global Securities Operation, this is the technical module. Therefore, the difficulty level would be higher and the pass rate would also reduce. So what you need to understand in the second module, you will be going through first chapter is securities, second chapter is main industry participants, third chapter is settlement characteristics, fourth chapter is other investor services, aspect of taxation and risk, followed by. Now securities and main industry participants. These 2 chapters are the revision of first level. This covers 80% of what you have studied in first level. Now, settlement characteristics, other investor services. Settlement characteristics, we discuss about different aspects of settlement characteristics. we discuss about DVP, we discuss about PVP, we discuss about role of depository, we discuss about role of CCP, we discuss about failed trade management and what would be the fines if the settlement is not happening. We discuss about all different aspects of settlement. Now other investor services, we discuss about custody. We discuss about RFP, request for proposal, we discuss about STP, we discuss about all other areas including SLA, service level agreement. We also discuss about the custody fee calculation. Aspect of taxation covers withholding tax, dividend treatments and dual country criterias. Risk covers the risk in global securities operations. We talk about reconciliation, we talk about risk at different stages of the trade life cycle. Now the next one we have is operational risk. Operational risk talks about risk basics, other major risks, nature of operational risk, the cause and impact of operational risk arising in the trade cycle, the support and control functions, operational risk in the regulatory environment. Now risk basics, we discuss about different types of risk along with operational risk. It covers credit risk, it covers market risk, it covers regulatory risk, it covers ERM also, enterprise risk management. Now other major risks, will be talking in detail about different types of risk. The third chapter, the nature of operational risk, is the one of the longest chapter that has good 20 questions in your examination. So here we discuss about different areas, different aspects where operational risk can cause and what is the impact of that. What are the ways we can mitigate or what are the ways we can control. We cannot avoid risk. Now the operational risk arising in trade cycle, so different stages of the trade life cycle, we see what can be the types of risk and how we can control them, try to avoid them. We cannot avoid the risk, okay? What we can do? We can take necessary steps. Support and control functions. Again, these are different functions about which we discuss. And then the last one is operational risk in the regulatory environment. We discuss about the regulatory environment and what can be the impact of operational risk. So we also discuss about case studies, we do homeworks, we do n number of things during this curriculum. Now the question is, CISI, we have different accredited training partners in India itself. Why FPA? At FPA, we will be training you on CISI. Along with that, we will be making you job ready. We are also offering advanced Excel. We are offering Python for finance. We are offering financial modeling. We are offering industry mentor sessions. We have post-placement mentorship. If you are thinking to do CISI IOC, I would encourage and request you to connect with me or my team. We will guide you. If you want to pursue with us, you're most welcome. You don't want to pursue with us, we will give you the right guidance. Still curious? Reach out to us, follow me at Instagram, follow me at LinkedIn. Thank you so much.